It's Niya and Ice, we gon' teach you how to roll, baby. So when you come through the hood, you won't look crazy. Talking good English with the Aniyah VaDoll. Talking good English with the Aniyah VaDoll. Welcome to the first ever episode of Talking Good English with Aniyah VaDoll. I'm your host, the Lemon Pepper Bandit, aka the Chicago Bulldagger, aka I'm best friends with Egypt VaDoll. Hey, she really do know me. She know me, y'all. She know me.
No, she don't.
Aniyah VaDoll, and this my co-host, Ice. What's poppin', Ice? And on Talking Good English, we plan to educate the uneducated and non-wordsmiths of the world with a delectable delicatessen of the English language, spoken and enunciated with precision and perfection. We gon' teach folks how to talk good English around this bitch. There it is. There it is. Shall we proceed? Let's do it. So the first word of the day is Oopsie Daisy. Oopsie Daisy. When one's outfit, aesthetic, or overall look is pleasing to the eye. Like when you show up to campus and you fresh to death, crispy like a $20 bill, sharp like your uncle hairline, hey, then you got your oopsie days. You know what I'm talking about?
Like me, for instance, right now, this ensemble that I've thrown together, would you not say that my oopsie daisy is
indubitably, Ice, indubitably. You got that oopsie daisy. Your oopsie daisy on point, like an Uncle Sam poster on point.
Who else do you know that has that oopsie daisy?
Oh, hey, Starboy, Atarian, hey, that's my boy. He got that oopsie daisy. Soraya, that's another one. Aubrey, she keep that oopsie daisy. Helena Rose, hey, she got that oopsie daisy with a mask. Jen, she stay with some the young boss. Hey, my little cousin, Kylie, she got that oopsie daisy. yeah. Vivian, Vixen, Brawler, hey, they got that gangster. Brawler got that gangster oopsie daisy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, he'll put you to a brick wall, then look good while doing it type oopsie daisy. You know what I'm saying? Troy, you know, he the drip lord, you know, of course he got that oopsie daisy.
Rachel Rain.
And of course,
who else you got in mind?
Egypt VaDoll.
Oh Lord, here we go. Aniyah, where did you even... Does she know you have all these pictures of her?
She got that oopsie daisy. Hey, she got that super doopsie daisy. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, she got that doopsie daisy. You know what I'm saying? She got that.
I'm gonna keep it above. You doing a whole lot. She not gonna let you hit, bruh. She's not gonna let you hit.
Oh,
she doesn't know you. You out here simping. You Lisa Simpson right now. Alright, you doing a lot. Okay. Yeah, calm all that down.
I'm sorry. It's just the galore of Egypt VaDoll got me feeling saucy.
Ugh.
The next word is butterscotch.
Butterscotch. An admirable or good-looking person. Something admirable. A fortunate event in your favor. But can also mean something bad. A misfortunate event not in your favor. Since this is such a complicated definition, we decided to put our journalistic integrity on the line and send a reporter out into the field to do some hard-hitting research.
Oh Lord, we at the shake joint! Like, I had to come here for research and research only. I don't even really be up in the strip club like that. This is my first time ever coming here like that, so...
Hey, Niyah, missed you last
Hey girl, chill. Hey y'all, I had to jump on live real quick. This the illest butterscotch I done ever seen in my life. I want her to take me home and be, I'll be her trophy wife. I don't even care. I stay in the house and clean up everything and mop and come home, let her come home from stripping all day and just mop the whole floor. And I'll be like, look baby, the house clean. I don't even care if she cheated.
The dancer at the nightclub was exceptional, and I would straighten up my life to be her adoring, significant other.
Here's an example of the negative use of butterscotch. Man, I walked my stallion to the pony show, you dig? But once we got there, she was straight butterscotching all night. Just everything. Drinks his water down. Aniyah, why she keep looking at me like she wanna fight? Who is Keisha, Aniyah? Just out there butterscotching. Butterscotching.
Hi, I'm Nelson Nodwick, and I was hoping Aniyah could help me talk good English, so maybe, just maybe, I can get a prom date this year, or at least the girls from the field hockey team will stop shoving me in the locker.
What?
Could you help me out, Niyah?
Bro, I'm really about to get your piccochini now, but...
Why sure, Nelson, no drip. My girl Ice and I will demonstrate further the linguistics with an active learning demonstration that will utilize our production skills, acting repertoire, and showcase our abundant and attractive personalities.
We finna get our Denzel on and act this shit out.
Hey, Shawty, what's percolating?
I'm just out here on my Bojangles and my Popeyes and my KFC getting to the chicken.
Accruing currency.
Well, go on and unplug them buds so I can scream at you one time.
Make sure you pay close attention to what I'm about to say.
Okay.
Okay.
Man, this old butterscotch ass girl
Physically unattractive woman.
came out the house looking like she lost a fight to somebody with superpowers. So I pulled off on ass.
Deliberately sped off in my vehicle before further contact with the woman.
So when I made the beans hit that spin in the wind to see my kid,
Took my car to have a pleasurable visit with my acquaintances and
I
cohorts.
had to stop and pay Uncle Sam.
Get some gas.
When I did, the cashier was giving me so much Tokyo Drift
Attention with romantic intent.
that I had to snatch the Powerball +1, baby.
Phone number.
But tap in, kinfolk.
Listen up, pal. This part of the story is very engaging.
I got my ears on.
I'm listening, buddy.
She had that butterscotch.
She was a bad bitch.
She had that butterscotch.
She was a perfect match for you to try and take the relationship to another level.
Butter plus scotch. I had a Baskin Robbins that broad.
Add this particular girl to my extensive roster of possible suitors. Talking good English with Aniyah VaDoll. Talking good English with Aniyah VaDoll.
Well done. Well done. You did that.
I
You did
try. Hey, every once in a while I do big things, you know what I'm saying? I do big things every once in a while, you know what I'm saying?
Do we have time for one more?
Do Blueface and Krishan need counseling? You bet your ass we have time for one more.
Hey.
Hey, so the final word of the day is cookie and a cold.
Cook and a cold. And I know you get an attitude when you get hungry and everything, but cook and a cold drink, we ain't got time. We got some turkey sandwiches in the back. Come Suit said we got this place for 30 minutes.
No, ice. Well, actually, save me two of them sandwiches. But when I say cookie and a cold drink, that's when you see a pretty girl out, and you know, you be like, hey girl, you a whole 11 out here. Let me buy you a cookie and a cold drink. If she blush and giggle, you in there. You know what I'm saying?
I smell
Ice,
you,
would you
bro.
like to try?
I sure would like to try that. You know that I need to up my numbers.
Your numbers can never be high enough, Ice. That's exactly right. So I'm gonna send a butterscotch through here, and you gonna pick a little game at her and see how she feel. You know what I'm saying? Cookie and a cold drink. You got it.
Excuse me, young lady. I would like to buy you some Oreos and a Dr. Pepper.
What?
And maybe after that we can get naked.
Excuse me?
Little my bad.
Broke, dusty,
my
brave
bad.
having. Be going out my face with your tired ass.
got to be smooth.
My bad.
Baby.
My
You
bad.
got to be like Steve Harvey in a linen suit. You got to be like when Tom and Jerry froze the kitchen floor and was gliding around that bitch smooth, baby. Hey, like my booty that time I got it waxed, cause you know, as a joke and all that, but then it felt really good, and then I ain't never stopped and everything. And, no, I got a regular girl, she keep doing everything. I'll send you her number.
please do.
Yeah,
I didn't
she's
know- yeah,
amazing.
that's amazing.
But listen, I'm talking about, listen, okay, smooth, okay? Cookie and a cold drink. You can't change it up.
Cookie and a cold
Just cookie and a cold
Cookie and a
drink.
cold. I got
Try it on the
you.
next
I got
butterscotch
you.
we walk through.
You
See
got
that?
this.
Yeah, you got this. You got this, Ice. You got this.
Hey, Shawty, you trying to go out for a cookie and a cold drink? Oh, Lord, my mama told me I was going to meet my soulmate today. Your mama real smart. Come on, girl, I got a Red Lobster coupon with your name on it.
Okay. 80% of the time, it's 100% accurate, baby. Well, everyone, I thank you for stopping by, and I thank you for giving us your time today. Say goodbye to my co-host, Ice. Ice, say goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. I'm Ice. Thank you for having me. Remember, I babysit, cut hair, fix cars, and got them things on the low. Holla at your girl.
Not what I thought you were going to say at all, but thank you for stopping by once again, and remember,
We
learn people to talk good English around here. Hey, Ice, I know you got some more for that Oopsie Daisy List.
Hell yeah, I got a few. I like Cabrina. She has that Oopsie
Hell
Daisy.
yeah. Hey, young Christian, he be fly as a
He do, he
bitch.
do, he
That's my
do.
boy, I fucks with him.
What about Gabby Spears?
Yeah, Gabby got that Oopsie Daisy.
Damn.
My girl Peaches, right? I'm trying to tell you, hey, thick girl Oopsie Daisy, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm talking about? Hey, don't sleep on Desmond, okay? Hey, that's my boy Desmond. He got that Sons of Anarchy riding through this world. All alone. Oopsie Daisy, you know what I'm saying? Hey, CJB, my partner in rhyme. Hey,
Oh yeah, he
know,
got that
hey,
Oopsie Daisy. He
yeah,
got that
I
Oopsie
don't
Daisy.
fuck with nobody that ain't fly, right? So you know that boy got that Oopsie Daisy.
JTD got that native swag.
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
that's
Yep,
my
yep,
guy.
yep.
JTD, that's my boy. Yeah, Native American swag and all that. I mean, hey, I can't not mention my big sis, right? Fashion free.
Fashion
I'm
free.
about to eat some chicken and some beef. But only if it's free. Yeah, you know, fashion free. She's been killing the game forever, you know, so I gotta give props to big
Yeah,
sis
big
out
sister
here.
had that Oopsie Daisy.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
up, Thomas
yeah, yeah.
Ridge? What about your girl BB?
Oh yeah, a little worse than mash. Yeah, but hey, that's my girl though. She stay with the Oopsie Days. She work my nerves, but she stay fresh with it. Always stay fresh with it. Yes, sir. What about the Falcon, young Ace? Hey, he got that fourth ball, Oopsie Days. You know what I'm saying? Unique as fuck with his Oopsie Daisy, right?
Hey, he in his own
it.
lane.
Yeah.
And Jessica, right?
Yeah,
Jessica
she
be
got
killing
that
it. She be
nerdy
snapping.
Oopsie Daisy, and she be stripping and putting bananas in her mouth and stuff. And
Hold on, what?
nothing. I like Kale. She be flying with it. Yeah. Hey, Soraya. We mentioned her earlier, but she got that like unhinged. You know, but got that Oopsie Daisy.
Oh, I like that in the girl.
Yeah, me too.
I love that.
Yeah, like they love you, but your tires is gonna be 100% slashed in the morning if y'all get to an argument, right? Like that type of, you know. What I'm
Right,
saying?
that's that shit, right?
Hey, speaking of drama, what about Sade?
Oh, you know I love that Oopsie Daisy. You know I love that.
Hey,
She got that Oopsie Daisy.
You know, I used to, you know what I mean, take her to the rodeo.
Mm-hmm.
I did. You can read about it. Anyway, Oopsie Daisy is impeccable, even though she be talking shit. But look, I ain't no hater. I can give her old bucket mouth ass some props, because I'm not no hater.
Okay, if you're not no hater, go and give Tesla some props.
She alright.
Mm-hmm.
I can say, despite her being a butterscotch in a very bad way, she do got some style.
Oh, look at you being kind of nice.
With her stupid
Oh,
ass.
never mind.
There she goes, Spice. Spice Ronaldo. You know I love Spice. Put Spice on everything. That right there, hey, that's Oopsie Daisy. You
Hey, I peep it. Yeah, I take her to the mall.
Hey, listen. Yeah, we could go to the mall, hit the movies. I share my gummy bears with her.
Oh, that's how you know it's real right there.
Mm-hmm.
Chase Ventura. Hey, I like cuz.
What that? You said Ace Ventura?
Chase, you heard me, nigga. Chase. Yeah, he cool. He got that Oopsie Daisy.
I agree. I don't know, cuz, but he got that Oops and some Daisy in there. You know what I'm saying? Look what he got on that thing. I like
Killer
it.
every time.
Oh, damn.
Oh.
Oh, Vivian. Yeah. You know she got that Oopsie Daisy. Hey, she like a pilot. Everything she do fly.
Boo! Boo! Take a time out. You thought that was a bar. You ruined Vivian's whole part with that
Hater.
bullshit.
You a hater, bro. You know she was high. You a hater.
Oh shit!
Oh, yeah. It's, he be making me feel all soft and girly, and I don't know, like when I talk to him, I just get like the flutters, you know what I mean? And it reminds me of when we was younger, you know, we'd always text, and we had some dope ass conversations.
And
I remember one time.
what is your relationship with this man?
What? Girl, nah. He just got that Oopsie Daisy. That's what we talk about. That's what this whole thing. I like his style. Yeah, girl, keep scrolling. Where the next picture at?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Hey, that's that Oopsie Daisy right there all day. Hey, I'll buy Vice a Gatorade just to let her know I care. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, what flavor?
Oh, red nigga, 2 of them. That's
Oh, the fruit punch, fruit punch.
She can have both of them.
Yeah, you need it for yourself because you thirsty.
Oh, that's my girl Jada. Yeah, she tough as shit. I love her. I love her style. That's that Oopsie Daisy. Hey, she be teaching me how to cook on the low.
I hope it's healthy food.
Well, I ignore the healthy recipes.
I know you do.
Oh, that counting calories will kill you.
What about Big Zaya?
Oh yeah, she flies a motherfucker. Yeah, that's
Oh
that big
yeah.
girlfriend,
Oopsie
you know what I'm
Daisy.
saying?
Oh yeah. Hey,
Oopsie
she be
Daisy.
killing the game.
Oh yeah. Hey, I was gonna put Vixen up here, but she told me if I keep trying to take her picture, she gonna call the police, so I gotta out of there.
I mean, that's smart. That's smart on her part. You know, you kind of a deviant.
That's fair enough. I do be a deviant sometimes. Yeah, that's fair enough.
Fair enough.
Last but not least, you know what I'm saying, I had to give a special shout out to my girl, Talia Marie. You know what I mean? That girl, like, you know, at one time,
We was engaged. Yeah, I've heard.
I'm just saying, her Oopsie Daisy been on fire for a minute. You know what I'm saying? She deserved the love that we need to give her. She been on her thing for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know, you're real mouthy today. You know, you was already tripping with that bullshit earlier. You was saying. You look at that girl wanted your phone number.
Hey, at least I got the phone
What you
number.
talking about? I always get the digits every time. You see my track record. My track record impeccable. I always get the number. What you talking about?
Every time though, for real, every time.
Yes, every time, nigga. What you trying to say? Trying to play with me?
Okay.
I'm Aniyah VaDoll. So I'm saying, your hunger ended up, you know, getting ice, you know. So maybe you and young Niyahism can go out for a cookie and a cold drink ourselves, you know. Hey, my sister owned this company called Fashion Freak. You ought to try it. You get your model on. I can see you out there modeling, girl. Hey, I can get you on. You know what I mean?
Oh, I'm sorry, my Uber here.
Uber?
Thanks for the check though.
Check. Hold on. What you talking about? Hey, we not supposed to be paying about. Hey, we paying these models. It's supposed to be iPhone 6s and a trip to dentist with coupons, 20% off, and you gotta buy your own drink. I don't understand what you talking about paying these girls. Man, you ain't got that kind of money. Pharmaceuticals charging me an arm and a leg to get this studio, and you gonna have me up here trying to pay people. It's coming out your check. I'm gonna let you know that right now. It's coming out your check. Okay? You know, matter of fact, you just donate your whole check. You want to take her out anyway, and they won't give me no play. I'm gonna sit down.
It's Niyahism. Ice, we gon' teach you how to roll, baby. So when you come through the hood, you won't look crazy. Talking good English with Aniyah VaDoll. Talking good English with Aniyah VaDoll.